चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Now, the anger across the nation continues to simmer over the NEET scam as the postponement of exams has now dampened the very spirit of thousands of NEET aspirants, in fact, lakhs of aspirants. Meanwhile, investigations and arrests continue. Also to add here that after the Patna and the Godhra link, the tentacles of the NEET scam have now reached Jharkhand and even Maharashtra's Marathwada region. 6 people, meanwhile, have been arrested in Jharkhand itself, while 2 have been detained in the state of Maharashtra.
The probe into the NEET scam is only growing more and more scandalous. In the latest, 6 people were arrested in Jharkhand's Deoghar district in connection with irregularities in NEET exam. Police officials are quizzing the 6 accused after they were produced for their medical tests. After Patna and Godhra, now the investigation has also reached Maharashtra's Marathwada region. According to sources, out of the 2 detained, one is said to be working in Latur, whereas another in Solapur. Sources also revealed both the suspects who were detained are teachers. The revelations of NEET scam investigation are leaving the citizens shell-shocked with each passing day. Despite the centre's move to sack the NTA's DG Subodh Kumar Singh and replace him with Pradeep Singh Karola, students are out on the streets, protesting against the injustice being done to their careers.
Paper leak has come out from where the malpractices initially started, the Godhra, Haryana and Bihar. Majorly the investigation will roll out from those places and also around these coaching centers whose role will be questioned. But the entire country, whether CBI is going to investigate, those things are yet not revealed by Education Ministry, but we have to wait and watch exactly what will happen and how the investigation proceeds, because right now Education Ministry is tight-lipped on how and where the investigation has proceeded till now. All over India, total 63 students have been given show cause notice and also will be debarred from giving the future NEET exams in future. They will not be allowed, and 17 students are from Bihar, 30 students are from Godhra. These are the numbers which we exclusively got from the Education Ministry. The number of students involved in malpractice in the NEET exam who have been served notice. We are also getting to know that the role of coaching centers, almost 4,500 coaching centers all over the country is in question, and there are several suspicions on the coaching center, and almost 1 lakh students who are studying in this 4,500 coaching centers, those are also in question. Therefore, detailed investigation will also be done by CBI in the coaching centers as well.
The students are frustrated, and the postponement of exams has only dampened their spirits. The big question is, when will the perpetrators be brought to book? The nation wants an answer.
Meanwhile, the political war of words over the NEET scam has taken center stage with the first session of the 18 Lok Sabha set to commence in just a few hours. Amid the nationwide outrage, the BJP has even launched salvo on attacks by Congress leader Shashi Tharoor. In fact, Shashi Tharoor's remark on social media about people of UP that has left the BJP fuming. Multiple BJP netas have hit back at the Congress leader for his remarks.
Amid nationwide outrage over NEET scam, Shashi Tharoor's crude pun on Uttar Pradesh has drawn the BJP's ire. Union Minister Jitin Prasad called out the Congress leader's insult and stated that the people of UP have been stereotyped, humiliated. Tharoor punned on the words Uttar Pradesh to mock BJP at a time students and the opposition are up in arms.
मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं, पुख्ता जानकारी आने पर दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। एनटीए हो, या एनटीए में कोई भी बड़ा व्यक्ति हो जो इसमें दोषी पाया जाएगा, इसके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Union Minister Hardeep Puri also went all guns blazing in his response to Tharoor, stating UP is also home to the quote-unquote first family that all Congress members swear by. While the centre is facing fury over the conduct of public exams, the Congress may have gone too far this time by putting the paper leak taint on UP and its people.